Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play UFC 4 on PS5. Let's start with the basics. Use the left stick to move your fighter and the right stick for head movement. Light punches are with square and triangle, while kicks are X and circle. Hold L1 for power modifiers. Blocking is simple, R2 for high block, R2 and L2 for low block. Now, let's elevate your striking game. Combine L1 with face buttons for powerful strikes or R1 for body shots. Practice chaining attacks like a jab cross hook to overwhelm opponents. Remember, precise head movement with the right stick can help you slip punches and set up devastating counters, turning defense into offense. The ground game is crucial in UFC 4. Initiate takedowns by holding L2 and pressing square or triangle. Once on the ground, use the right stick to transition to dominant positions. To attempt a submission, hold L2 and move the right stick. Defend against takedowns by holding L2 and R2 as your opponent shoots in. Effective defense is key to victory. Block incoming strikes with R2 and try parrying by tapping R2 just before an attack lands. Pay close attention to your stamina bar. Over-attacking will leave you vulnerable. Observe your opponent's tendencies and adjust your game plan to exploit their weaknesses and secure the win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.